chi gadael i Radio CAYB.
Radio CAYB.
Chi gadael i Radio CAYB.
You're listening to Radio CAYB. Welcome to 38 on Radio CAYB.
Okay, so I hope you enjoyed last week's show where we interviewed Lacey Welsh.
Yes.
We interviewed Lacey from Cape Pin, haven't we? Hope you enjoyed her interview. Mind the noise in the background, alright? That is just them playing music.
Yeah.
So today we got all of our usual features, such as a mystery song,
Yeah.
And what's a mystery song?
Welsh music.
Yes, well, we're playing 5 different Welsh music for this week here, and Welsh artists, where we play 5 different songs from the 60s, 70s and 80s from them,
Yeah.
And also we've got the Osh's History Corner as well. Where are you taking us this week, Osh?
I'm going to Mellon Salon this week.
Cool. Yeah, Osh.
Yeah.
And we also got Ethan here as well. Hey Ethan, how are you?
Great.
Where are you taking us this week for Gosh?
On the Crescent Limited of the Southern Railway.
Sounds good, doesn't it? And we also got Lacey here somewhere, and she's going to be here later doing the chart run-up for this week, Yes. See what is number 1 for this week. And Max and Peter are also here as well, and they are doing sports news for us again, mate.
Yeah.
And we also got our interview for this week,
Yeah.
And this week it's Nia, who works for Fierce If More,
That off with gyfan Addysg Y.
And with wedi'i Canolfan Addysg Y
Yeah.
Because it's a Welsh show this week, and we've got all Welsh music, haven't we?
Yeah.
Haven't we, Osh?
Yeah, we have.
And this is going to be a really
Yeah.
good start. Okay, wedi'i Canolfan Addysg Y.
Mae miwsig yn iaith ryngwladol, mae'n chwalu ffiniau bob gwlad. Sdim ots yma iaith y borgeiriau, yr un medden nhw yw'r mwynhad. Ystyriwch eisteddfod Llangollen, sy'n denu'r cenhedloedd yn hyd. Y cwlwm mae Nghanolfan i'n teulu, yw miwsig o bedwar ban byd. Ond howch i mi ganu Cymraeg, howch i mi ganu Cymraeg. Diolch am ganu, pob math o ganu, ond howch i mi ganu Cymraeg. Dilynais y country and western, pan oeddwn i gynt yn llanc, a Tennessee Ernie yn arwr, dim ond ail i'r anfarwol a hanc. Ddim gymaint o ffani Slim Whitman, ne syrthiais am ei Rosemary, a Gypsy Woman Don Williams, hithau hefyd yn gariad gen i. Ond howch i mi ganu Cymraeg, howch i mi ganu Cymraeg. Diolch am ganu, pob math o ganu, ond howch i mi ganu Cymraeg. Fe ganed cyn cyfnod y sgipl, fe magwyd i ar ganu roc. Mi hefo Bill Haley a'r Comets, pan rocio y reit round the clock. Mi wylais fynd agrau ac Elvis, pan oedd yn ei Heartbreak Hotel. Ond cododd y Beatles fy nghalon, a syniau swynol Michelle. Ond howch i mi ganu Cymraeg, howch i mi ganu Cymraeg. Diolch am ganu, pob math o ganu, ond howch i mi ganu Cymraeg. Rwy'n cofio Al Jolson a'i mami, a chrwnio Sinatra a Bing. Mi gwothais fy mhen dros Glenn Miller, pan oedd bandiau a ddipyn o swing. A beth am gerddoriaeth y negro, y jazz, y rhythm, a'r blues. A pwy all anghofio'r hen saxbo, a'i bwbwdi-bwbwdi-bw. Hawch i mi ganu Cymraeg, ond hawch i mi ganu Cymraeg. Diolch am ganu, pob math o ganu, ond hawch i mi ganu Cymraeg. Ond hawch i mi ganu Cymraeg, hawch i mi ganu Cymraeg. Diolch am ganu, pob math o ganu, ond hawch i mi ganu Cymraeg.
A raw Emily arrived.
And Gwrandewch and the guy on.
Yeah.
And now we got our mystery song for this week, boys.
Yeah.
Now this week's mystery song, yes, we got a little twist to it, haven't we?
Yes.
And this week we're not doing the usual 60s, 70s, 80s, 90s and noughties, no.
No.
Not the usual music from them decades, but we are still doing it. But it's Welsh music, yes.
Yes.
So here's a mystery song for this week.
Here comes the mystery voice.
Mystery boy. Mystery boy.
Here's our first song for this week.
As I step down on number 2 for the week.
Song number 3 for this week.
Living in the back streets, that's our home from home.
Song number 4 week.
Song number 5 this week.
Caroline good.
Hope you got all the sound effects.
Okay, so our next song is Dyma, gwrw and Cals. Here on.
Yeah.
I went to see these last week with us, didn't we?
Yes.
Didn't we, us?
Yeah.
We had an amazing time.
Hey Dylan, how was it? I want to know how was it?
Yeah, it was good, wasn't it, us?
Yeah, it was, wasn't it?
And Fleur de Lis are coming up next on the playlist, aren't they?
Yeah.
So here's Dyma, gwrw and Cals.
Dros gwyrdd ac anialdir. Yes, you plesio hi'n nos fel yn y dyn. Doedd na'm byd yn ormod I bachgen bach. Doedd neb yn dar. Roedd yn eistedd wrth ei hun. A dros foroedd gwyrdd ac anialdir. Yn erbyn pob un crefydd ar ôl y gwir. I ddarganfod dan y boen yr ened fach. Doedd neb yn dar y trio dal ei hun. Hei, be ti'n dweud? Mae rhaid bod rhywbeth mwy na tristwch neu'n cael o'n agi. Hei, be ti'n dweud? Mae rhaid bod angen dan y gwenwyn sy'n neu'n cael o'n agi. Dros foroedd gwyrdd ac anialdir.
This is the history. This is the history. The last song was Just For Of Grace by Celt. Hope you enjoyed that song. I've been watching them on Saturday. Didn't I, Dion? Yeah, we did. And it's a really great group. I have never watched that group in my entire life. And it's actually quite good. Really recommended. So, like I said, this is a Welsh music. So, I'll just have a Welsh history. So, I'll start from Welsh now. So dwi'n ni'n mynd I Melyn Sionon heddiw, right, Dion? Yeah. So, and hope you enjoy it. So, Melyn Sionon is the last surviving and only working windmill in Wales, built between 175 and 176 on Anglesey. After periods of use and disrepair, including its cap blowing off in 1954, it was restored by the Anglesey Borough Council and reopened in 1984. The mill now a major tourist attraction, production floor, Howard, and is part of the larger heritage sites that including prehistoric roundhouse. Oh, also, just to let you know, there is in that place got monuts from Mr. Holt's. Did I have one? No, I didn't. Did I try have one? Yes, but there's a queue. So, moving on. So, about Melyn Sionon. Construction built on a land owned by Surgeon Herbert Jones. Construction took place from September 175 to March 1776 at the cost of 129.11 years. Design, it says, tower mill, a type of windmill where the cap roots to face the wind, featuring a solid base and moving top. So, what's the purpose? Everyone's asking. Well, the mill was designed to grind corn, oats and barley, utilizing the wind, powered and ideal for Anglesey. Well, ideal, it's never on, so I don't know. Anyway, so, operation and decline. Early operation. The first mill's Thomas David was dismissed for improved maintenance, but the mill continued operating for generations, eventually falling to Hugh Jones and his family until its closures. Damage and closure. Oh no. The mill suffered damage in 1980. Storm and closed in 1924. The cap was lost in storm 1954. Further damage in the structure, but they're still standing now. Well done. Restoration and present day. Purges and restriction. The Anglesey Borough Council bought the mill in 1978 and restored it to working order, reopening in 1984. So it was a tourist attraction. Melyn Sionon is now a prominent tourist attraction recognised as symbol of Anglesey. Heritage site. The site also features two recreated iron age roundhouse, offering insight into city life and making its destination for both industrial and historical tourism. I've been there and really recommend it. Melyn Sionon is a great. So, now in 2019, it is currently owned by Richard Holt and his family, who purchased the mill in 2019, like I said a minute ago, with a 25 years lease. Wow. What is history of Anglesey? Well, I don't really want to tell you this, because guess what? That's the next one starting. Next week, we'll be having What is the history of Anglesey? I'll tell you next week or the following week. So let's go back to Melyn Sionon, shall we? It's in Sanesant, is Melyn Sionon, and it's a very good place if you want to be a very walking place. It's a nice route to walk. There's also a brilliant place called Richard Hall's Donuts. It's like a donut, so go and check that out. So this is all I got for the history this week. It's not that long, not as normal, and because I've been into the hospital, had this and had that. Anyway, but I had like 5 minutes, so hope you enjoyed this. And the next song is gonna be like I said, they have to be Welsh. So if you don't like Welsh, well, don't listen to it. So my favourite song out of every other song that I like, Harbol Diogel by Ellen Flair. She also lives in Star. And if you listen to this radio, I hope you enjoy it. So I'll say goodbye for now, and I'll see you next week.
Here's Great American Railroad Journeys with Ethan. Welcome back to Great American Railroad Journeys. What's New No Gauge is postponed for week 39 because it'll be too early for that. So, we'll be going from New York City Penn Station to New Orleans Union Passenger Terminal. Starting in New York City, take the Amtrak chreu'n to New Orleans. Now we run back 100 years to 1925, and you're on the Southern Railway's chreu'n Limited. Yep, we're doing it again. Sporting RPO, which is swappable between the Pennsy, Southern, Atlanta West Point, and Louisville and Nashville. Baggage, lounge, buffet combine, what a mouthful that is. 10-12 sleeper cars, 8-1-2 sleepers, 14 section sleepers, dining cars, and 3-2 observation cars. Motive power varies from the Pensy's K4 Pacifics and later GG1 Electrics, GG1 meant 460 plus 064, Atlanta West Point P74s, 290 is an example of that class, and the Louisville Nashville's K1 and K2As. 152 is part of that one. Now on to locus of note. What's pulling the train from Washington DC to Atlanta, Georgia? Like for your trip? The locos are 462s, commonly called a Pacific again. There are 64 built. For context, they're numbered Southern's number 1366 to 1409. Alabama Great Southern had numbers 6684 to 6691. Chattanooga, New Orleans, and Texas Pacific Railroad 6471 to 6482. Numbers 1393 and 1396 are given the chreu'n Limited treatment, and 1380 got streamlined for the Tennessean, making it look like, to me, a dollar store NNW J class, or we have Norfolk and Western J class at home. And finally, only one of them survived. Number 1401 at the Smithsonian Institute's National Museum of American History in DC. Now, continuing on. The reason why you're on Amtrak's version is because the train got a bit of a rocky relationship. It was split between the Peach Queen Special and the Albion and Aiken and Augusta Special. That being the South and the North versions. And the chreu'n merged with the Southern to form the Southern Chreu'n. At New Orleans explore sites, including that one famous bayou, remember the two-tone Green Express train, and of course the Southern Pacifics, not the Southern Pacific Railroad. The trip will take you 32 hours and 12 minutes and cost £156, or £2.01 in 1925 money. The locus of no answer is the Southern's PS4 Pacifics. Next up we got Lacey's music charts, but before then, go see the 1401 at the Smithsonian Museum of American History. And What's New No Gauge will be back for week 39, coming next week.
The last song was Sioe Radio by Nero. We've got the charts. At number 5 is No Book Boys, No Brothers, No Bad, No Bad, No Bad by Disco Liza Tinashe, who does I'm a nasty girl, I think. At number 4 we have You're I can think of, You're my soda pop, by the soda pop, by who? I will tell you, it's the Soldier Boys. And number 3 we got I heard that the bayou, Tears by Sabrina Carpenter. And number 2, And number 2 we got Man I Need by Olivia Dean. And number 1, you all sing this movie, Some Pattern. I so high, so high, so Golden by Huntrix. Oh, speaking of K-pop Demon Hunters, here's Golden by Huntrix. Hope you enjoy, and I hope you sing along to us. So enjoy. Here you go.
Okay, so we're really sorry, Lacey, you Dylan.
Yeah.
But we can't play the songs that you picked because they're all copyright, aren't they, Dylan?
Yeah.
Which is real sad, isn't it?
Yeah.
But from next week, you might have to do the charts by just saying the songs and not playing them, because we could easily get a strike here, Dawn.
Yeah.
But we've got a bit of John McCallan coming up next, haven't we, Dawn?
Yeah.
What are they going to sing for us?
Canolfan.
Yeah, here's John McCallan, Canolfan, and we hope you enjoy this. And yes.
Nid wy'n gofyn bywyd yn moethus A'r y byd a'i berlau ma Gofyn rwyf am galon hapus Calon onest, calon lan Calon lan mae'n llawn dau oni Te cachyn ar lili dy los Dim ond calon lan all ganu Canu'r dydd a chanu'r nos Hwyr a bore fy'n ymuniad Esgyn ar a denydd car Ar I ddiw mwyn fy ngheidwad Roedd I mi galon lan Calon lan mae'n llawn dau oni Te cachyn ar lili dy los Dim ond calon lan all ganu Canu'r dydd a chanu'r nos Pet y minwn olyd bydol Chwym a denydd iddo sydd Golyd calon lan fi'n weddol Yn dwi'n bythol elw fi Calon lan mae'n llawn dau oni Te cachyn ar lili dy los Dim ond calon lan all ganu Canu'r dydd a chanu'r nos Calon lan mae'n llawn dau oni Te cachyn ar lili dy los Dim ond calon lan all ganu Canu'r dydd a chanu'r nos Canu'r dydd a chanu'r nos
Does neb yn ei nabod o Mae 1600 o flynyddoedd Yn amser hir i'r co Ond aeth Magnus Maximus o Gymru Yn y flwyddyn 303 Yn gadair yn gennym gyfan A heddiw
from around the school.
The last one was a motorhead by David Johan. Now I've got news on the school. First one is Minor Youth Club in Holyhead. So hopefully you will go there when you're 18. So Country are raising money towards Macmillan Cancer Appeal by holding a coffee morning. So hopefully everyone enjoyed that. Number 3, Minor Rugby in Decra yn ôl ar dydd Mercher. 3:15 until 4:15. Hopefully you'll be going there. But the downside of it, your parents have to stay. But other than that, it's a good place. But I haven't been for a long time. Aran from Cain to Pedwar been performing in Disneyland, Paris. Hopefully you've gone very well on that. The 5 is my lab scout in the Cafe Wraig in the cafe today. Starts at 12 o'clock until 1 o'clock, so hopefully you'll be there. Anyway, so next one
Dag yn polio, creithio'n agor, neb yn helpu. Mythigneisen o'r o'r gwir. Mae'r awyr yn niwlog, dy'r ffordd ddim yn gwir. Dy cywydd a cleit teimladau tyri beichio. Dwi dy lar yn dal I fygu, dim yn helpu. Pawb wedi gadael ma'n rhaid I dal yn sôn. Pawb wedi symud am hen yn troi rond a rond. Dwi'n cerdded cam yn mwy, ond bob tro'n cam yn nod. Dwi'n rhedeg nes yn rhaid, dwi'n symud dim. Dwi'n ysgyn dwi'n baglu hebda chdi. A ti'n na I ddal fi. Nis lan yr un lle, yn gaeth yr un un dre. Dwi'n disgyn toddi lawr y crio dros o'n un beth. Dwi'n methu sefyll mlaen, dwi di bod yma o'r blaen. Ond dwi dal I droi fy un man, un man, un man. Methu derbyn y presennol, dal I hefel yn dyn yn ddoe. A dwi'n mynd all, fod yn gweld dwi'n fallu'r gwir. Yn dal I fyw a bod heb ola dydd. Pawb wedi gadael ma'n rhaid I dal yn sôn. Pawb wedi symud am hen yn troi rond a rond. O mam hen i'n troi rond a rond. Dwi'n cerdded cam yn mwy, ond bob tro'n cam I nod. Dwi'n rhedeg nes yn rhaid, dwi'n symud dim. Dwi'n ysgyn dwi'n baglu hebda chdi. A ti'n na I ddal fi. Nis lan yr un lle, yn gaeth yr un un dre. Dwi'n disgyn toddi lawr y crio dros o'n un beth. Dwi'n methu sefyll mlaen, dwi di bod yma o'r blaen. Ond dwi dal I droi fy un man, un man. Di'r ddaear ma'n symud, a mae'r byd dal yn llonydd. Ac eto dwi'n dianc o'n hun. A dwi'n byw dau fywyd yn ôl ac yn dywyll. Dwi'n cael trafferth gwahaniaethu erbyn hyn. Di'r ddaear ma'n symud, a mae'r byd dal yn llonydd. Ac eto dwi'n dianc o'n hun. A dwi'n byw dau fywyd yn ôl ac yn dywyll. Dwi'n cael trafferth gwahaniaethu erbyn hyn. Cerdded cam ymlaen, ond bob tro'n cam yn nod. Dwi'n rhedeg nes yn rhaid, dwi'n symud dim. Dwi'n disgyn dwi'n baglu hebddo chdi a ti'n mynd i ddal fi Ni'n stôn ar un lle yn gas yr un dre Dwi'n disgyn torri lawr y crio dros o'n un ben Dyma sydd sy'n ei blaen Dwi di bod yma o'r blaen Ond dwi dal i droi fy un gyfrin a cholas sy'n achosi'n halon ni'n ar y dadraw Pwyso ar y pilar di sydd yn sefyll flaen y dafar Ti'n llosgi yn y meddwl i a nid y cwrw sydd yn siarad Dwi isio chdi yn fwy na nid Does na neb isio fwy na chdi Heno yn yr angl Heno yn yr angl Na 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 Fo fi ar y wal Tra mae'r nos yn dechrau gafal Ti'n gobeithio fi bo fi'n mynd cael Dy adael na'n gadael Gysgo cawr o gastell fi Da ni'n gafo llaw i'w glaw Heno yn yr angl Gloch yn canu wrth y bar A mae di bod yn noson hegar Mae'r merched hyn ar ogia sgwar Yn sgwario, mynd heibio Mae'n hyfryd i ni symud ymlaen Ond dwi isio aros yma efo chdi Heno yn yr angl
And that was by Bandana, yeah, Dawn?
Yeah.
And now here's your mystery song answers for this week. So today our 60s song was gone.
We were Home by Tom Jones.
And our 70s song for this week was Canolfan Addysg Y Bont, yeah, Dawn?
Yeah.
And our 80s song was, what's that?
68 Guns by Alarm.
And our 90s song was Gwrandewch gan Sobbing a Smailiant, yeah, Dawn?
Yeah.
And our 90s song was gone.
No, by 50.
And now that's all your mystery song answers for this week. Well, next week's mystery song is going to be really different, yeah, Dawn?
Yeah.
Yeah, also?
Oh, yes.
Yes, Ethan. We're going to be really different next week. Okay, so we are moving on now to Ush, and he's going to give the leaderboard answers for this week.
Now we've got the leaderboard. So, ITV programmes, apparently, like I said, I haven't been here on Monday and Tuesday, so I don't know what these boys were up to, because they've been silly, probably. Don't know what they're doing. So, I'll just follow the rule. So, number 7 for this week is Canolfan Addysg. They got 0 out of 15. What a rubbish. And for you, music, 0 out of 15. Oh my god. Sydd got 0 out of 15. Canolfan got 0 out of 15. Canolfan got 0 out of 15. Well, it's Dyma and Dylan's mistake. They forgot to do the seats for you, Canolfan. I'm sorry to do that, because I haven't been here. So everything is out of a shambles. That's the word for the Welsh one. Canolfan got 0 out of 15. But again, I'm sorry about Canolfan. You haven't tried, because some people called Dyma and Dylan haven't done the seats for them. It's only the radio seats, not the back of it. I'm sorry to do that for you, but I hope you're doing it next week, because I'm back next week for the whole week. So, number 6, Canolfan got 1 out of 15. Also, Canolfan got 2 out of 15. So, well done you. Number 5 for this week is Canolfan. They got 2 out of 15. Well done. So, and also, we got Canolfan got 2 out of 15. Number 4 for this week is Dyma. They got 5 out of 15. Well done. Number 3 for this week is Chreu'n. Chreu'n, whatever you want to know what that class is. It used to be Chreu'n, so Chreu'n is now. So got a 6 out of 15. Number 2 for this week is Pedwar. They got 9 out of 15. The first class who won every week, trying their best, is Canolfan. Got 12 out of 15. So, like you said, congratulations to Canolfan, who got 12 out of 15. So, I hope you enjoyed this TV channel's ITV channel program. So, I hope you enjoy this radio, the rest of it, and I'll see you next week. Goodbye for now. The next song is Spectral by Wedi'i. I'm not Yes, I was watching that on Saturday, and it's a brilliant artist. And if you don't watch it, guess what? You're missing out. So, I hope you enjoyed this instead of the welcome thing. Very good in the night, but I don't want to talk about it in the day, but as you do. So, I hope you enjoy this leaderboard, and the next one is Spectral by Wedi'i. Goodbye.
Gyfan fyny'n ddarna man. Ma'n hafod i'n glyma, a phan ma'r niwl yn cuddio'r wawr, a ma' bob beiliad yn teimlo dda awr, cydian dyn mewn ffawd rhwng dy fys a bawd. Ma' na reswm nes i matach chdi nôl, a ma' na reswm pam nes i ddim dod, ma' siŵr bod chdi'n meddwl bod rhywbeth yn bod, ond ma'n iawn. Dwi 'di ffeindio'n sbectol. Ma' na reswm nes i matach chdi nôl, a ma' na reswm pam nes breuddwydio. O coelio fi pan dwi'n deutha chdi fy mod i'n deud y gwir pan mon i'n hir hebdda chdi. Dos na mi. O dwi'n isio dy feddwl di grwydro, cos dwi'n gwneud hyn I fy hun bob tro. Dor y gyfla I mi gael y gliro. Ma' na reswm nes I matach chdi nôl, a ma' na reswm pam nes I ddim dod. Mae'n siŵr bod chdi'n meddwl bod rhywbeth yn bod ond ma'n iawn. Dwi 'di ffindio'n sbectol. Ma' na reswm nes I matach chdi nôl, a ma' na reswm pam nes I ddim dod. Mae'n siŵr bod chdi'n meddwl bod rhywbeth yn bod ond ma'n iawn. Dwi 'di ffindio'n sbectol.
Be quiet.
No, sorry. My educators, they sort of look at the campus. So, this week's the stores news. So, it's a well cook, it's a fighting say. Who took the wig this year? Now, Massey, on Nago. So, the member is on the night of the strike. It's like a Massey or Nago. So, I've got a mystery here. So the first night is wedi'i, as the second day is G. So, without the clues, as people achter geweest, toen we dus achter en more koken, ik had wel koken meeting, acting was in bubbles and got toppings with this balls, so yeah, it on the next in can cut the man forward and is roll. This is Chelsea. Chelsea, which is Man City. So there's the structures. Red Bull always shop. Red Bull shop. Always shop. And that's it. Always dengue, progress, and all. Yes, please. So that's just the start news. Don't get that. Before you go, I got this mystery. It's just son. He's from Asasilla. He's going very well Asasilla. Go. So that's it for the start news. So let's talk about the teacher. Let's talk about Master Campus.
O, ti'n gwybod bod chdi'n hogam o bert? High heels, suspenders y sgert, so iawn el. Idi allan o fi, iawn el. O iawn el, idi allan o fi, iawn el.
Cavan there, don't we? Yeah. And now coming up next here on Radio CAYB, what we got?
Yeah, interview.
Yeah, we've got Neil's interview coming up next here on Radio CAYB. And we'd like to thank Simon for coming on with us today,
Yeah.
From the theatre here. Come on,
Yeah.
So we're going to play her
Getting to
interview
know
here right now on Radio CAYB.
Getting to know all about you.
And now we've got Nia, who's with us today. Hello, Nia. How are you?
Chi'n iawn, sgwad?
Diolch. Cwestiwn gyntaf i chi yma, sut ydych chi mewn i drama?
Mae hwnna'n gwestiwn rili da. Dwi wastad always been person quite creadigol, quite creative, a dwi'n licio siarad lot. So fo'n ei sens bod fi'n neud pethau drama. A dwi hefyd yn licio chwarae games. So hwnna, o'n i eisiau fynd y job lle ni'n chwarae loads o games. So nes i neud drama yn ysgol. So nes i neud drama fel subject. A wedyn nes i fynd i university yn y drama. A wedyn ar ôl i fi adael yr ysgol, nes i fynd i weithio ysgol Pendalar. So nes i fynd i weithio fanna ac o'n i'n helpu nhw efo sioedolig a pethau ac o'n really fun. Wedyn nes i ffeindio bod fi'n gallu neud o fel job full time wedyn. Oedd yn really hwyl.
Who was the most famous person you worked with?
Oh, I worked with a few people who are really famous and cool. I worked with some actors who have been in lots of things on television. So Mia Roberts was one of them. She was really cool. I really liked working with her. I worked with some people who've been on Ronda Round. Some people who've been on Tipyn o Stad. And maybe my favourite was a man called Dyfrig, and he was just so silly. So he was really he was in lots of television programmes, but he always used to play pranks on me. So he hid potatoes in my pockets one time, and I put it in the washing machine, so the potatoes went through the washing machine. That was quite funny and silly.
Ba gem favourite chi yn drama?
Mae hwnna'n gwestiwn anodd. Dwi fel loads o games dwi'n licio neud. A fel arfer, dwi'n licio game os dwi'n really da yn efo, os dwi'n bach yn competitive. So ni ddweud, dwi'n licio noson yn yr amgueddfa, Night at the Museum.
Good game that, yeah, mate.
A dwi hefyd yn lluniau llonydd, da ni wedi chwarae hwnna fyd, do. A da chi'n cofio ni chwarae cawr, fairies a babis, a hwnna'n ffyn oedd. So, loads o games, ond mae'r 3 yna'n probably top 3.
Faint o hir ydych chi'n gweithio i theatr uwchradd Mon?
Dwi wedi gweithio efo tîm, so Theatr Inc Mon, wan ers 2 flynedd, so 2 flynedd o hwyl. Ia, a gobeithio lot mwy i ddod, da.
You either teach with adults or teach with children about drama?
Trick cwestiwn, achos favourite fi di between adults a children, so teenagers, so pobl yno ydych chi wedi favourite fi, achos dwi'n meddwl ydych chi yn cael really funny, da ni'n cael lot o laughs. A da ni'n gallu yddahannu jogs efo'n gilydd, a dwi'n cael hynna. Weithiau, mae plant bach, dyn nhw'n mynd all jogs fi, a mae hen bobl yn boring.
What is your favourite album and why?
Ydych chi'n gwybod Harry Styles? Dwi'n quite licio Harry's House gan Harry Styles. Achos mae o just yn ei fi dawnsio. A dwi'n lyfio dawnsio. So mae o bod o'n ei fi. Pa dwi'n clywed y cael gyntaf, mae'n ei fi fod eisiau bwgi.
Mae'n dig drama ffefran i watchad ar teledu ar y funud?
Round a round, 100%. Mae Round a round wedi cychwyn yn ôl. A mae o just yn briliant. Mae'n Gymraeg, mae o yn digwydd yn Ynys Mon. A dwi'n meddwl bod hynna'n really, really special. Dwi hefyd wedi bod o watcha Only Murders in the Building. Dych chi gwachio hwnna?
Na.
Wedi clywed, dwi'n meddwl.
Mae'n wedi calon fi rasio, so dwi'n licio hynna hefyd. Ond mae Round a Round, favourite.
Emma Gibson used to be on Round a Round,
Yes, Emma Gibson.
Oed, actor Michael.
Yeah, mate.
Do you play any instrument? If so, tell us which one. How do you play?
Dwi ddim yn chwarae instrument yn really da, ond da chi'n gwybod tambourine? Dwi'n really, really joio tambourine. Just achos pan ti'n chwarae tambourine, ti'n cael dawnsio. A dwi'n jealous o pobl sydd yn gallu chwarae instruments yn dda, do.
Oes gen ti lot o prosiectau drama yn dod i fyny?
Oes, mae gennym fi, da ni ar hyn y bryd yn gweithio ar sioe am y môr hefo griw tîm. Da ni'n gwneud costiwms a da ni'n bildio sets. A hefyd yn gweithio efo criw Canolfan Addysg Y Bont, so chi i gyd gobeithio yn ei sioe cyn dolyg da, i ni gael gwneud rhywbeth i ddigwydd.
Ydych chi eisiau dewis gan ni gorffan off Sioe Radio wythnos yma?
Mae hwnna oes, dwi bod trwy dewis can. Gawn ni Music for a Sushi Restaurant gan Harry Styles.
Yep. Okay, so we're going to finish off with music by the sushi restaurant by Harry Styles Y Bont.
Yeah.
We'll see you next week for week 39 of Radio CAYB.
Yeah.
And we'd like to thank Nia for taking our time today. Diolch, Nia.
Thank you, Nia.
Thank you.
And we'll see you next week for week 39. Take care for now.
Touch your tail?
If the stars were edible and our hearts were knit, could we live with
So we hope you've enjoyed this week's edition of Radio CAYB, and we will see you next week. Bye for now.
Bye. Radio CAYB.